Guys, just gonna fit this dash cam. What is it? A Nextbase 222X with the hardwire kit. This is the mounting piece that's gonna go on the windscreen. So it's gonna go up here, come down, and into the fuse box, which I believe is in here. Oh, that's so annoying. Try and run it through there and maybe in there. That's it. Through this hole to the fuses. Just like tucking it in there like that. Oh, behind here, no, that was a bit techy. I can't lie, I don't know if you guys can pull it off like me, but if you can, coming through here, then we're gonna find our any live fuse, and the earth. I'm gonna whack a screw into the side there for the earth. So I decided to choose the horn fuse, number 43, which is this one here. Ignition on, no horn. Yeah, that's it, so I'm choosing that one. It's working already. If you look in there, all the wires that were hanging out are just tucked up in there now. See the blue light? It's in there now. Let's hope this goes on with no trouble. Just about. It was a bit tight, can't lie. Just about, you see? Oh, yeah. Look at that shit. God damn. Pretty much done now, man. Just gotta stick that down. Stick it down. Stick it down. And it's got a rear camera there and then memory card to go in. Yeah, so what's up with this camera, man? Like this, I would usually put it somewhere like that, right? But because it's got this interior camera, it's trying to, it doesn't have a wide angle. So I'm sitting in my chair and it can't really see me. Can it? You see in the side of my head? If I sit back. It's just moving a bit mad, man. This is what I'm dealing with. I'll put it there. Turn this flash off. Straight. So it's recording. I'm sitting in my seat now. You see, you can just about see my phone. You can just about see me in my seat. Yeah. And from that side there as well, I can just about see. I can see the passenger seat here. Oh no, I can't. This camera is rubbish, mate. This little thing here. I'm not convinced, yeah, by this internal camera. It might catch something, but what is it going to really catch? It's probably going to catch you out if you're on your phone or something, but is it going to help you? I think it's a rip-off, so I won't bother with that.